Aqua friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and today we are going to do this cute little mini sunburst forest. And with the holidays coming up, I kind of wanted to represent Christmas. I used a really glowing red for the sun through the trees, and I used some various greens for the forest. So as you see, I'm starting off wet on wet, and I'm using Scarlet Lake for my red, and I'm putting in that red in the top right hand corner there. While everything is still wet, I'm coming in with my sap green, and I am using a really thick rigger brush for this job. I am trying to hold my brush closer to the top of the brush so that I have a very loose hand. So trying to get that sunburst effect. Going in with the darker green to put the trees in. So I want this to be kind of a pine forest, wintry forest, kind of like I said, representing pine trees for Christmas, hence the red and green palette, which is also contrasting colors, so therefore it's very eye-catching. So you see how I'm doing this quite loosely, and I'm using a really large size rigger brush to put in these pine needles. So I'm just making these random hashtag lines, loosely representing trees. Now, I thought I needed a hint of yellow there for the sun, so I did put in some ISO Yellow Deep. With a very stiffer flat brush, I'm making my lines, the rays that are going to be coming through the forest. This is where the magic really starts to happen. You could really sort of see it coming together now, how that's going to look kind of cool. So just lifting up a little bit more because I really want that light effect. So my palette is really simple. I use like 3 or 4 colors. This darker green is the shadow green that I really love to use. It's a very neutral green, very dark, and it turns out great for this sort of thing. So I'm sort of skipping over some areas, as you can see, because I'm keeping in mind that those light rays are there, and I don't want to like just paint over all the light rays, because then you won't get that effect. Now, for some textural effects, I'm using salt minimally. I have to say, I only had a few grains in my hand. Now, you can see that it just did a very soft effect there. Thank God I remembered to turn on my camera, guys, because, hey, I painted one foreground tree there, and then I realized, oops, I forgot to turn on my camera. So as you can see, I just kind of drew in with a pencil my foreground trees, and then I'm going over it sort of wet on wet, starting off softer and kind of building up my colors. But where the red burst of sun is, I'm painting those trees like they're in the light, like they're kind of backlit and giving them a red hue. So I'm having my trees change from red to green as you get deeper down in the forest. And I'm trying them not to make them too straight, having them go in different angles for some visual interest. And same with the branches. I'm trying to make the branches go in different directions and having a very loose hand when I'm doing this. Notice I'm holding my brush at the very top, which forces you to be loose. And it does turn out way more organic and more interesting than us trying to have a tighter control. Although I did find myself constantly sliding my hand back down. It's like you really have to concentrate on, okay, no, I need to hold my brush higher up. So this is a very fast project, minus the drying time. Like, you could get this cute little thing done in a half an hour, guys. Isn't it adorable? You could also use it for a Christmas card, hence why I chose the green and red, because I'm on a holiday kick trying to get some videos done for you guys. But I really love how this turned out. I think it's super cute, and I hope you guys love it too. Now, what I did there, if you want a looser effect and not as much detail, you can spray some areas and you'll get like hard and soft edges. And it has, like, you know, those lost and found edges that are really interesting. Coming in with a teeny bit more salt. And here's the finished project. I think it turned out great. I hope you guys love it too. And I hope you give it a try. So I also wanted to show you that you could make this in different colors to represent different seasons. I thought the yellow and green would be great for spring, and oranges and reds could be fall, and I got the blue. I did a shimmer on the blue. I don't know if you can see it, but that would be good for winter. So I tried some different things, and then to dress it up and give it to somebody, there's these cute little frames. I do sell it in my Amazon store. You can check that out, and that just makes a cute gift. It also comes with a little gift bag, so super adorable. Or you can make them into cards. You know, this Christmas one, I plan to put on the red background cardstock and make it into a Christmas card. So let me know what you think of all these different little mini paintings, and if you're going to give it a try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next week.